Hey there traders, are you tired of wasting your hard-earned cash disappear on bad trades? We've all been there, frustrated, confused, and desperate for a better approach. So let's dive in and get you on the path to trading success. Alright, let's get started on setting up a powerful trading strategy using two amazing indicators. Beginning by opening your TradingView platform and selecting any chart or time frame that you prefer. We'll be working with two secret weapons that will transform your trading game. The first indicator we'll be using is called the STD filtered regularized EMA. Add this bad boy to your chart. Click on the indicators button, type in its name into the search bar and select it once it pops up. Next, we want to make sure the indicator is set up for peak performance. Look for the little gear icon next to the indicator's name and click on it. This will open up the settings menu where you can follow along and adjust the settings to get the most out of this indicator. Let's break down the rule of our first indicator, the STD filtered regularized EMA. This awesome tool is a straightforward buy and sell indicator that will make your trading decisions a whole lot easier. What it does is pretty simple. It prints a clear L signal on your chart, pointing out the perfect moment to enter a long trade. On the other hand, when it's time to go short, it'll print an S signal, showing you the ideal opportunity to hop on the sell trade. While the STD filtered indicator is a fantastic indicator for spotting buy and sell opportunities, it is important to know that it can sometimes give us counter-trend signals. You can see trading against the trend can lead to losses, and we definitely want to avoid that. So to make the most out of this indicator, we'll need a little help from another tool that can filter out those counter-trend signals and ensure we're trading with the overall market direction. Don't worry, we've got just the right indicator for that. But before we dive into the second indicator, we really appreciate your support for the TradeGenius YouTube channel. We work hard to create these videos and provide valuable trading strategies for free. So, if you're finding our content helpful, please take a moment to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There's a small gesture in encouraging us to continue sharing more awesome trading insights with you. Now, let's get back to our strategy and uncover the power of our second indicator called the Swing Arm ATR Trend Indicator. This bad boy will help us detect the market trend and make sure we're trading in the right direction. To add it to your chart, head over to the indicator section and type in its name. Once you find it, click on it and add it to your chart. Now we want to fine-tune the settings to turn this indicator into a top-notch trend detector. Click on the gear icon next to its name and I'll show you how to adjust the parameters to make the most out of it. Let's now talk about how the swing arm ATR trend indicator helps you identify trends in the market. When you see a price moving above the green swing arm line, it's an indication of an uptrend. This is when you should keep an eye out for buy signals from the STD filtered regularized EMA indicator. And if the price is found below the red swing arm line, it points to a downtrend. In this scenario, you'll be looking for a sell signal from the STD filter regularized EMA indicator. Lastly, if the price is nestled between the green and red lines of swing arm ATR trend indicator, it suggests that the market is in a sideways movement. During such times, it's best to hold back on making trades until a clear trend becomes visible. Alright, it's time to get down to business and learn how to manage your trades with this strategy. You'll be looking at entry points, exit strategies, and risk management. All key ingredients for successful trading. Let's start by buy trades. First, you need a long signal from the STD filtered regularized EMA indicator. This is your green light to consider a buy trade. Next, you want to make sure the signal candle's close price is above the green swing arm ATR trend indicator. This confirms that the market is trending upward and it's a good time to hop on the buy trade. And once you got both these conditions met, you're good to go on entering a buy trade. Now remember, the risk management is crucial, so you'll need to set a stop loss to protect your trade. You can do this by placing it below either the recent swing low or the swing arm ATR trend indicator, depending on the market situation. And to lock in those profits, you can set your take profit target at 1.5 times the distance between your entry price and a stop loss level. This way, you're aiming for a healthy risk to reward ratio. With this strategy, you'll be able to identify opportunities to hop on downtrends and potentially rack in profits. Here's what you need to look for. First, you want to wait for a short signal from the trusty STD filtered regularized EMA indicator. This is your signal to gear up for a potential sell trade. Next, ensure that the signal candle's close price is below the red swing arm ATR trend indicator. This confirms that the market is indeed in a downtrend and it's time to strike with a sell trade. So once both of these conditions are met, you're good to enter the sell trade. Now, just like with buy trades, you want to manage your risk with a stop loss. In this case, place it above either the recent swing high or the swing arm ATR trend indicator, depending on the market conditions. And to lock in those profits, set your take profit target at 1.5 times the risk of your trade, just like we did for buy trades. And as we conclude, keep the moment going by watching our recommended video on the screen for more insights on profiting in any trading market. Thanks for watching and happy trading.